Welcome to Naubuc's renovation progress. This wall is one of 12 bump outs. There's one in every classroom, and this is where new windows will be in, and they will be pretty wide and the same height as these existing windows. This is a typical classroom. It's approximately 750 square feet, which is quite large in comparison to most elementary schools. Most elementary schools are in the 550 to 600 range. You see metal studs, that's rough framing, and what you also see is the rough plumbing for the new sinks. All the rough electrical work is done.